In the previous video, we created a simple task manager as part of the Notion beginner system. In this video, which is part 2 of the Notion beginner system, we'll build a project tracker so you can organize your tasks into projects. Now type / and type full page and select Table Full Page Database. Let's rename this database to Projects. Next, rename the first column to Project Name. I'll add in a few projects under Project Name. Next, add a new property called Status. You can choose between Not Started, In Progress, and Done to match your progress. After that, add another property called Date and change it to Deadline. Put a deadline for each of the projects. Now let's quickly go through what we have from left to right. On the left, we have the project name. This is where you list all your projects, like your YouTube channel, Learning Notion, or personal goals. Next, in the middle column, we have Status. This shows the current progress of each project. You can choose between Not Started, In Progress, or Completed depending on where you are. For example, if you haven't started yet, you can leave it as Not Started. Once you begin working on it, you can change it to In Progress. And when you're done, you can mark it as completed. And on the right side, we have Deadline. This is where you set a due date for each project. This helps you keep track of when each project needs to be completed. You can click on the Date field and select any date based on your timeline. For example, you might set a closer deadline for your YouTube channel and a later one for your personal goals. And that's how you create a simple project tracker in Notion. Now your Notion beginner system is starting to come together. In part 1, we created a task manager to help you track what you need to do. And in this video, we built your project tracker to organize those tasks into clear and structured projects. This means instead of looking at everything as individual tasks, you can now group your work into bigger categories, making it easier to manage and plan. You can also use a status to track your progress and a deadline to make sure everything stays on schedule. This helps you stay organized, focused, and clear on what needs to be done next. And this is what makes your system more powerful, because now your tasks and projects are connected in a simple and structured way. And in the next video, we'll complete the system by creating a knowledge hub. This is where you can store your notes, ideas, resources, and anything you want to remember. So instead of everything being scattered, you'll have everything organized in one place. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I recommend starting there first to build your task manager. And if you're ready to continue, you can move on to part 3 to complete your Notion beginner system. Click the links in the description to watch part 1 or continue to part 3.